So, hi Satya, welcome this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I am also doing good. Thank you. So, Satya, could you please let us know for which all courses you have enrolled here with iMedita and how was your overall experience during the training?
Yeah, actually, I have enrolled for the course of cyber technology in Palo Alto Firewall Specialist, okay, PCMCA. So I have joined just 10 days ago. I have got enrolled, and uh, the course, the training was very good actually. It's an excellent because so many things. Because earlier I was handling only Cisco and checkpoint technologies. So since now Palo Alto is booming technology, so since I'm just looking out for a good opportunity in cyber technology area, so that is the reason I have enrolled for this course, and I have entered all over the north, and including south also, Hyderabad and all the institutes, and for many of my friends and earlier friends, colleagues referred me to iMedita, especially Mohit and Shahid and all. No, they
Okay,
have referred me, so I'm quite comfortable here. I learned so many technologies, new technologies, and especially this course was very good actually. I got to know so many things, insights, and I'm very confident now. I can get through the interviews now because uh, see, keep going on, right? Our endeavors, career endeavors keep on going. So I'm quite comfortable. I need to do some practice of the labs actually. That's what I'm doing now currently. I need to focus more on this because whatever has to be uh, uh, part of the trainer, he has done his 100%. I would say more than 100%, 200%. He has given all the information, all the insights. So it's my turn to uh, okay, showcase myself in the technologies, keep on the same pace in my career endeavors.
great. So, could you please tell us about yourself and your experience into the IT industry? How many years of experience do you hold?
Yeah, I have almost 21 years of experience in this industry, especially network infra. 10 years ago, I was into system administration. Later on, for the last 10 years, I have moved into this uh, network infrastructure. So I have worked with HP and AT&T and T and with good clients like Bank of America and all. So now that is the reason I want to okay grab a good opportunity with the same like HP or AT&T with the similar technology area. So
Great.
now okay, recently I was working with one of the Doha-based bank. I was working as a consultant for migration data center migration activities and all.
Great. So, did you got all the study material, lab access, and required support during the training?
Yes, yes. Everything I have received. Only cloud, the access credentials only I need to get since I am practicing daily on my laptop. No? Yes, I have the VMware. Everything is provided. I am practicing it now. Once I move to my home, then I will take the help of logging into the cloud. Uh,
Right.
you have Initiate has given me access to uh, lab, right? Rack.
Right. And from which instructor you took classes, and did you find instructor experience enough in the Palo Alto technology?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Mr. Baldev Singh
Okay, great,
is quite comfortable and he was more knowledgeable person.
great.
That's what I understood.
So, how did you first hear about our training courses? Through your friend or somebody else?
Yeah, my friend Mohit, you know, he's working with City, you know,
Right,
City. Yeah, he has referred me here. He told me that. Earlier also one of our ex-colleagues got to interview after attending the course here in Palo Alto. So
Okay,
hopefully, uh, I will also get to hopefully the
great.
due course.
So how would you rate the entire quality of the training and the instructor lab support on a scale of 10?
Yeah, I will rate it as 9.
Okay, great. Would you recommend our courses to your other friends and in your network?
Absolutely, absolutely, I will take it up.
Great. Would you please provide any suggestion on how we can improve our training in the future? Any suggestion from your side?
Yeah, everything is fine. We are able to give the 24 hours lab access is there, and you are providing remote access also through cloud. So that is more than sufficient, and
Great,
everything is fine. All good.
great. So
If
thank you,
anything,
Satya. Thank you for your
if
time.
anything, yeah, if, if anything to be shared, I will definitely be in touch with you.
Great. Thank
Feedback,
you,
any
Satya.
improvements like that. As of now, everything is good.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you for joining this feedback session. We wish you all the very best for future success.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.